Here's how to install a Rain-X Expert Fit rear wiper blade on a rear PTB arm. Locate the packaged adapter labeled R. To install, align the R adapter so that the arrow on the top is pointed in the same direction as the arrow on the wiper blade base. Press the adapter onto the wiper blade until it locks into place with a click. Begin by placing the wiper arm in the service position. You may need to consult the owner's manual of your vehicle on how to do this. To remove the old wiper blade, press the top button and pull the wiper blade away from the arm. To install the new wiper blade, tilt the adapter forward and hold down. Insert the adapter into the opening of the wiper arm until you hear a click. Installation is complete. You are now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Expert Fit Rear.